What could be better than summer vegetables during the cold winter days? Only pickled varieties, or even better, ready-to-eat salads. Everyone is familiar with the taste of homemade preserves. Previously, homemakers shared recipes and took pride in the number of jars stocked for the season. In modern times, not everyone can spend hours preparing pickled salads. Fortunately, these products are readily available at the nearest supermarket. Vegetables vary in consistency, color, size, and country of origin. However, true gourmets still prefer the authentic taste of a homemade childhood. Therefore, manufacturers strive to preserve traditional formulations. Welcome to a vegetable paradise. Salad production is a seasonal operation. Tons of fresh vegetables arrive daily directly from the fields, and the facility operates in 2 shifts. We have established contracts with farms surrounding Almaty. These include the Ili, Karasai, and Jambil districts of the Almaty region. Fresh vegetables are delivered directly from the fields every day. We process them immediately, which currently requires working in 2 shifts. Several types of salads are produced here. We will demonstrate the manufacturing process for peppers with garlic and herbs. First, the raw material is thoroughly sorted and de-seeded. Substandard peppers are rejected, and the entire cleaning process is performed manually. The vegetables are washed with running water in a specialized tank. A compressor creates a bubbling effect, ensuring the peppers are continuously and effectively agitated. While the peppers are being washed, workers prep the necessary herbs and garlic. Then, the raw materials are processed in a vegetable cutter using specialized blades for each type. A master blender then takes over to combine several varieties into a single batch. This is done to achieve the optimal flavor profile. A specialist prepares specific ingredients, salt, sugar, and spices, for each batch. Notably, all components are sourced from Kazakhstan. The salads are then transferred to kettles for cooking. To ensure homogeneity, an operator must constantly stir the contents according to a specific recipe. We have developed 6 types of salads based on homemade recipes in a laboratory setting. Following successful trials, we scaled up to mass production. The product line includes autumn salad, lecho in tomato sauce or oil, and bean or zucchini salads. We introduce new items annually to enhance our market presence. Operators fill the finished salad into sterilized 710-gram jars. The jars are then placed onto a conveyor belt system. An automatic capping machine seals the jars. A drum mechanism feeds the lids onto the line, and an integrated system rotates and tightens them. The jars are then loaded into containers. The near-finished salads proceed to the sterilization stage. Sterilization occurs in an autoclave at temperatures of 95 to 100 degrees Celsius, followed by cooling. This process enables a shelf life of up to 2 years. A mandatory requirement for any facility, especially in food production, is a rigorous laboratory analysis of the products. The laboratory performs incoming quality control on raw materials. This includes verifying documentation from farms and sampling every batch. In the lab, vegetables are inspected for maturity, freshness, and cleanliness. Physicochemical and organoleptic testing is conducted throughout the process. For finished salads, we evaluate taste, color, aroma, and consistency. During production, we also monitor pH levels and titratable acidity. Post-sterilization, the salad undergoes a mandatory 11-day incubation period in a thermostat. Finally, jars are labeled and packed into 12-unit bundles. Vegetable canning is a seasonal business operating from July to October. During this period, we hire up to 35 additional seasonal workers. This year we plan to double or triple our production volume. Our products are in high demand and are already being exported internationally. Soon, Kazakhstani salads will be served in Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. This is an eco-friendly product, proudly made in Kazakhstan.